Oh, come on. Oh, come on. I just got new tires, Angela. Take it easy. Come on. Hey guys, today is another beautiful day. As you can see, the weather is great. I mean, we've been waiting for this weather to come. And I got me a little helper today, a little burnout master, destroying my Cadillac tires. Well, she probably can do better burnout than me. Alright, yikes. Well, anyways, let's get working on the Corvette. Okie dokie, and there it is. As you guys can see, we already put everything back. You know, didn't want to bore you guys with all the put back and all the time lapse that we were supposed to put in this stuff back. But today we are planning to get some work done to the side. Let's get it going.
I get that this one's wrecked, but what happened to that black one?
Oh, this black one? Oh, so here's the story on this one. Many of you guys were asking me for updates on this one. Many of my buddies were asking me. I have a video coming up soon as far as condition of the engine and what's done to it. But as of right now, it's sitting right now as it is. We're not gonna work on it. I'll shoot another video and include a little bit of detail. There's a big mystery hidden behind this you know, Corvette. There's something very mysterious that, you know, tells me something that wasn't right. But nevertheless, you know, we'll get to this Corvette, but for right now, we'll get back on this Corvette and try to hang this door and see how everything aligns. So guys, as you can see, this is my scrap door. I really don't need this door, but what I do need is these bolts and nuts. You never throw this stuff away until you get done with the car. This is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna pull these things out. This is from the broken latch. These hinges also, they're no good, but I need these bolts to make it look like it's all factory and stuff. As you can see, this hinge took some hit. I didn't want to bend it out. I didn't want to hammer it out or whatever. 40 bucks not going to kill me. Rather replace it so the door could slide in perfectly. There we go. As you guys can see, this is all I need to put in the hinges on and the latch. Alright guys, let's start with removing this thing first. 7mm. Got it. These bolts are stubborn, but we got a new piece. We can just install inside the door and then screw it back in like this over here. This is where it goes. All right. This is the old one going away. This is a new one. Now, show them. You guys see these broken bolts? I have to drill them out. I have to pull them out before I could put the hinge on. I could fix this up. That's not a problem. But before I put the hinges on, I gotta drill these out so I can screw the new bolts in. Let's get it. As you guys can see, this one I didn't even have to drill much. As soon as I started drilling, it was so loosened up I was able to pull it out, which is basically by turning with the hands. So this one's out, one more to go. As you can see, I didn't even have to drill it. As soon as I start touching it with the drill bit, it starts turning, so I was able to pull it out as well with hands. Maybe I'm just this strong, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, most of the times these things are stubborn and you gotta use one of these to get it out. Well, in our case, we're lucky. We don't have to do that. Let's put some hinges on. The door is in. As you can see, spaces are pretty nice. It'll take some adjustment to do. As you can see, I'll have to fix this up. I ordered a new quarter panel already, and what I'm gonna do right now, just take the rear bumper off, take the rear quarter panel off, and whenever the new one comes in, I'll just swap it out and get done with this, so I don't have to repair all this. Fender is in. As you can see, the spacing is pretty good. I mean, it's not perfect. There's some work into it, but it's pretty even, so I could adjust. As you can see right here, it's all aligned. I can move the door back a little, but nevertheless, spacing is pretty even all around. The fender is in. Haven't bolted on yet. I just kind of threw it over, trying to see how it's gonna look, type of thing. And it looks great. Well, so here's the hood. You see, the spacing is nearly perfect. If you can move it, look at it, nearly perfect. So yeah, this hood needs to be repaired right here, somehow like this, with the fiberglass. But as you can see, with the small adjustments, this thing will pop in just perfect. Let me smell this. It smells like bald eagle. Yep.
How do you know what bald eagles smell like?
Oh, you'll know when you smell it. Nevertheless, look at the ball from underneath. Okay guys, so there's a bolt right here, right there, and right there, 10 millimeters. Already got those out, already got the other side. Let me show you how to get, there's one bolt or a torque that's underneath, right there. And to get to it, you gotta pull this bezel out first, and then you'll see it. One way to do it is to either push it from underneath, or put one of these pigs. Trying to grab this bezel out like that. It seems like you're breaking stuff, but you're not. Well, sometimes you could break stuff, but not in this case. You see, all the tabs are good. So, let's nice and gently pull this thing out. Wiggle it out. Grab the screwdriver. There we go. Bezel is out, and then as you can see, right there, maybe you'll see, maybe you won't. Like right there. At that corner right there, you see, that's where the torque is at. At this point, as weird as it sounds, I just gotta snatch the bumper off. I've already done this side. Let's go on this side. Basically gotta grab it like this. Gotta make sure you unbolted everything, and just gotta give it a good snatch, I guess. There we go. Alright guys, so instead of taking the whole bumper off, which I initially thought I would do, I decided to leave this side on. Just clip it back in, just not to scratch the bumper or take any chance of bumper falling. I'll just unbolt these few bolts and pull this quarter panel out. As you can see, it's already loose, you know, and yeah, I just don't need much space. My goal is to remove the quarter panel. Beautiful thing about Corvette is these quarter panels are removable. You could, instead of bonding them and stuff, you could just swap it out, you know. And as much as I know, I got all the bolts out. I got those bolts out right now, and this thing should just like pop out. There we go. Look at this. This is a beauty. This is, I mean, this is awesome. Oh, 2 more bolts. Sorry, false alarm. 2 more bolts. Isn't this beautiful? Wow. I mean, I'm digging this Corvette thing. I like it. Nevertheless, this is an old quarter panel. The new one's gonna come in. We're just gonna pop it back in. Until then, you gotta do all this fittings and everything. Make sure it's all in the same spot as it's supposed to. Make sure all this kind of goes back in the original shape, so when we get a new one, we could just bolt it in and everything goes in the original spot. Alright guys, so on this note, we're gonna end this video. Thank you for watching the video. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And I will try to keep you updated. As for right now, the Corvette is gonna have some fiberglass work done to it. We're waiting for a new quarter panel to come in so we could bolt it in and see, you know, where our cracks and everything is aligned, where our panels are sitting, so we could adjust everything accordingly. Thank you, and God bless you.